stage.
Try to fight this myth of that veganism is only something for the girls, because basically we have an image problem. So if you look at the numbers, statistically you have 75% of the vegan population are women. So what that means is the men are actually holding us back. So his idea was, let's fight this myth, let's fight this image problem and show that you have really tough guys doing this and that they are strong, tough and masculine. So what I'm doing for the last 6 years is basically trying to solve a problem that I had when I wanted to go vegan. And my main problem was there was no one on the same level in strength sports that I was on, like competing internationally, who was vegan. So I thought, if there is no one, it's probably impossible. It's probably not possible to do. And that was holding me back for quite a long time. And after I went vegan and I saw how much good it did for me, I thought, probably I should be that one guy who shows it for a lot of other guys. So that's basically what I do the last 6 years. I'm trying to reach out to as many people as I can with a message and tell them that veganism is great and awesome. And yeah, that's basically it. And I have one more video clip for you.
Strength must build up, not destroy. It should outdo itself, not others who are weaker. Used without responsibility, it causes nothing but harm and death. I can lift the heaviest weights, but I cannot take the responsibility off my shoulders. Because the way we use our strength defines our fate. What traces will I leave on my path into the future? Do we really have to kill in order to live? My true strength lies in not seeing weakness as weakness. My strength needs no victims. My strength is my compassion. Compassion. Compassion.
Yourself, don't hate, just believe.
to return to yourself.